Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the subscribe button to Pi News World, and also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Oh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. PiNetwork has officially confirmed that its mainnet will go live on February 20th, 2025, marking a pivotal moment in the project's journey. After years of development and a growing global community of millions of KYC-verified users, Pi is on the verge of entering the open market, with many speculating about its potential value once trading begins. With this long-anticipated milestone, PiNetwork is set to transition from a closed ecosystem to a fully operational blockchain, enabling users to trade, transact, and integrate Pi into real-world applications. As excitement builds, speculation over Pi's price has intensified, with various predictions circulating within the community. What will the price of Pi be? The price of Pi has been a subject of debate for years, with supporters offering different projections based on supply, demand, and the potential adoption of Pi as a widely used digital asset. As the Open Mainnet launch approaches, several figures have emerged as key reference points. $3.14, a symbolic value referencing the mathematical constant Pi. $31.40, a more optimistic yet still Pi-related figure. $314, a highly anticipated price point reflecting strong market confidence. $314,159, the most ambitious projection referencing the full value of Pi, $3.14159. While these numbers have gained traction within the community, the actual market price will be determined by various economic factors, including liquidity, market demand, trading volume, and broader adoption within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The journey toward Open Mainnet. PiNetwork has spent over 6 years building a decentralized ecosystem centered around mobile mining and financial inclusion. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on power-intensive mining processes, PiNetwork has enabled users to mine Pi directly from their smartphones, fostering mass adoption and accessibility. Throughout its development, Pi has operated within a closed network to ensure security, scalability, and regulatory compliance. The transition to Open Mainnet means that Pi will now interact with external blockchain networks, exchanges, and real-world financial systems, unlocking new possibilities for users and businesses. What's next for PiNetwork? As February 20th draws closer, all eyes are on how Pi will be integrated into the global cryptocurrency market. The launch of Open Mainnet is expected to attract increased interest from investors, exchanges, and businesses looking to explore Pi's potential as a digital currency. For Pi holders, this moment represents the culmination of years of dedication and belief in the project's vision. However, questions remain about its initial market value, its long-term utility, and its ability to compete with established cryptocurrencies. PiNetwork has urged its users to stay informed through official channels and the Pi mining app, as more details about the transition to Open Mainnet and potential exchange listings are expected to emerge in the coming weeks. With excitement at an all-time high, the countdown to February 20th has begun. Whether Pi will reach $314, $3.14, or something entirely unexpected, one thing is certain: the next chapter in the PiNetwork story is about to unfold.